everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you one of the natural home remedies that I do twice in a week to treat my skin. Benefit of today's treatment is 1. Healthy and glowing skin, 2. Young looking skin, and 3. Helps reduce the acne. In this treatment, we need crushed sugar, powder sugar, vitamin E capsule, aloe vera leaf, gram flour, besan, yogurt, turmeric powder, 1 small size tomato, and 1 full lemon, little bit of honey, water, and last, not the least, apple cider vinegar. Without further ado, let's get started.
First, cut the tomato and dab into a powdered sugar and just apply it all over your face in a circular motion. After 10 minutes, wash it off. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. With the help of brush or your hand, apply this mixture all over your face. Turmeric face masks to help to reduce acne and any resulting scars. This combination of mask usage may help your face clear up from acne breakouts. After 20 minutes, take off and wash it off. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, half lemon juice and 1/4 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well. With the help of brush, apply all over your face. After 20 minutes, wash it off. Take half lemon juice into a cotton pad and gently dab the cotton all over your face. Take 1 vitamin E capsule and aloe vera gel and mix it well. And apply it all over your face for good result. Use it at night. If you don't have aloe vera gel, then you can also apply the natural aloe vera leaf like this all over your face. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.